Building an online income in 2026 can feel like a daunting and overwhelming task. There are so many moving parts to manage, from content creation to marketing strategies. Many people start with high energy but quickly find themselves lost in the noise. The truth is that most people do not fail because they lack hard work. They fail because they lack a clear, cohesive system to connect their business pieces. They often resort to using random tools that do not communicate with each other. This leads to fragmented efforts and a frustrating lack of tangible results. Today, I want to simplify your journey with a complete AI-powered ecosystem. This system covers every essential step of building a sustainable online business. We begin with Mind Mastery Authority Fortune, your foundation for success. It provides a ready-made authority website so you can skip the tedious setup. You no longer need to build your digital presence from scratch. Next, we introduce the AI Puzzle Book Factory app to your toolkit. This tool helps you create and publish unique puzzle books with incredible speed. It is a perfect way to generate passive income through platforms like Amazon KDP. For faster content creation, synthetic AI is your secret weapon. It generates high-quality marketing assets without you spending hours writing. You can now focus on high-level strategy instead of typing away at your keyboard. AdCreatify AI then takes over to handle your visual branding needs. It specializes in creating high-converting ads that grab your audience's attention. These visuals ensure your brand looks professional and stands out in a crowded market. Once your content is polished, traffic becomes the next major hurdle. GEO Optimizer helps you attract targeted visitors through smart, location-based SEO. It ensures that the right people find your offers at the right time. Then, AI List Titan helps you capture those visitors effectively. It builds a robust email list that turns casual traffic into long-term leads. This is how you turn one-time visitors into loyal, repeat customers. If you run an e-commerce or COD business, COD Checkout Pro is essential. It optimizes your checkout systems to maximize your conversion rates. You will no longer lose potential sales due to a clunky payment process. For creators and designers, TattooMint offers a unique creative edge. It allows you to generate stunning tattoo designs or custom digital art. These assets can be sold online to reach a global market of buyers. Behind all these tools, the Focus Flow system keeps you on track. It helps you maintain productivity and consistency in your daily operations. You will never lose your momentum while building your digital empire. When you view these tools together, the system becomes crystal clear. Website setup and product creation are now seamlessly integrated. Content generation and traffic acquisition work in perfect harmony. Lead management and conversions are finally automated for you. Productivity is the glue that holds this entire ecosystem together. This is the real difference between struggling and actual growth. You are no longer guessing which tool to use next. Everything is connected and designed to help you scale efficiently. If you want to explore these tools in detail, I have reviewed them. Visit Ridhtek to see my full analysis of this ecosystem. You will find the direct link in the description box below. Each review provides a full breakdown of how these products function. I have listed the pros and cons for every single tool. This will help you decide which ones fit your business model best. If this video helped you simplify your business, please hit like. Your support helps me create more honest reviews for you. Comment below and tell me which tool you are most interested in. I love hearing about your goals and your progress. Share this video with someone who wants to start earning online. Help your friends find the right tools for their own success. Thank you for watching and taking the first step today.